everyone, welcome to my channel. I found this dartboard at a garage sale for only $1, but it's not very cute. I want to make it look a little bit cuter for my wall. So in this video, I'm going to give this dartboard a makeover. My plan is to make tassels with this yarn. Tassels are easy to make, and I think it'll look really cute as a trim. I'm using foam board about 1.5 inches to make my tassels. First, I lay a string of yarn across the foam board. And I'll be wrapping the yarn around 100 times. After I wrap it around 100 times, I tie it off at the top. I remove it from the foam board and then tie another piece of yarn around the tassel. And then I cut off the bottom, and then there you go. Very easy, but I did have to make a lot of them. All I have to do now is glue it around the dartboard. And there it is. I think it does look a little cuter. What do you think? And now I need to test it out. Yep, it works. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for all videos. Bye for now.